Nagkaroon nga ng pag-atake ang bansang Iran sa bansang Qatar na pinupuntirya ang pinakamalaking US military base sa nasabing bansa. At ayon naman sa balita ay wala namang nasaktan dahil lahat ng missile na pinalipad ng Iran ay intercepted or nasa himpapawid pa lang ay naharang na ang mga ito. At dahil nga sa tensyon na yan ay pansamantalang nagsara ang airspace ng Qatar, Bahrain, UAE at ng Kuwait. At yung ibang flight nga na papunta sa Qatar ay na-divert papunta sa India at lumipad muli pabalik sa Pilipinas.
Hey guys, we are now in Hyderabad, India, but our flight is supposed to be, or my flight is supposed to be in Qatar and then Copenhagen, but due to the war there had been cancellations and the flight has been diverted to Hyderabad, India. And they just had an announcement that it's going to be refueling and then go back again to the Philippines. Hey guys, just landed in the Philippines again, and we are waiting for updates. Now we are at the gate and waiting to be approached by the Philippine Airlines crew.
Ngunit may anunsyo na nga na lahat ng mga airspace na nagsara ay balik normal na ang operasyon. At may anunsyo nga ang Cebu Pacific na patuloy ang mga flight nila papunta dito sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. At dito rin sa Dubai ay meron ng mga flight sa Dubai Airport.
Update. Dubai Airport's back in full operation. After a night of airspace closures, flight chaos, and missile fears, Dubai International Airport is now fully operational again. Travelers are moving, terminals are calm, and flights are slowly getting back on schedule. But here's the catch. Some flights are still delayed or canceled, so check with your airline before heading out. Authorities say passenger and crew safety remains the top priority. This is a good sign, but the situation in the region is still developing fast.